You are here because you are stuck to the ground. You want to learn how to get off this planet for a few seconds or so, and thankfully you have come to the right place, because I know exactly how that is done, via jumping. Now jumping would be the easiest skill to learn, but unfortunately this darn thing called gravity exists, and it's there to ruin your day. You mustn't let it ruin your day. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do before you even attempt to begin jumping is to make sure that you're touching the ground. If you find that you're stuck in the air due to you being massively underweight, then make sure you have some calories, and when you eat the calories you should end up floating back down to the ground again. Thankfully I had some calories a few weeks ago, so I'm firmly rooted to the ground. Now that you're grounded yourself, you either have the option to jump from a standing position or from a lying down position. Personally, I find it a little tricky jumping from a lying down position, so instead I'll show you how to jump from a standing position. So what you'll need to do is make sure that you're standing up, and that's the first thing you'll want to do. To get up now. That's the first part of it. The rest should be easier, hopefully. Now that you're standing up, the next thing that you'll want to do is to make sure that you have enough space around you to take off from the ground. So I'll just do that for you now. This looks like a good spot. From here, what you'll want to do is to put your hands behind you like this. You want to bend your knees, just like that, and then you want to shoot up as high as you possibly can, and that should help you to defeat gravity, and you should hopefully take off. You'll notice that you've taken off if your feet are no longer touching the ground. That can be classified as a successful jump. So I'll give that a go now. I don't know if that counts. I don't think my feet actually left the ground. Jumping's quite difficult actually. I think I'll give that another go. Okay, so remember to bend your knees as much as you can, just like this. Arms behind you, and then you want to shoot upwards as fast and as quickly as possible. Was that it? I don't feel like I left the ground again. I'm going to try this one more time and use up all my energy and hopefully take off from the ground. Here goes. I did it. I did it. I beat you, gravity. I beat you. Hopefully you have now successfully jumped yourself. If you have, then why not post it on the social media for everyone to see? Now that I can jump properly, what I'm going to do is try and learn to jump while lying down, as I mentioned before. So I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. This is the lying down jump. So same thing, arms behind you, just like that, and then you just push up again. This one's a lot more trickier. Out of my spine. I think I'm in the air. Oh, this is really tricky.